It's the 1st of July 2020, which means it's Canada Day. It's a beautiful day in Canada on Canada Day. So what better way to spend the day relaxing by painting my car and fitting seat brackets. That sounds like a Canadian thing to do. No rest for the wicked and all that. I will of course be having burgers and beverages later, but I have to earn that. My wife is currently upstairs making my recovered seats, so it's only fair if I get on with it as well. It's not like we can have big parties in Canada Day today anyway, so let's get stuck in. So the plan for today, I have a little bit of grinding to do on the roof there where I didn't quite get the paint off yesterday. I mean, I'm not going to make it perfect, I just don't want it quite so reddish pink. And then I will clean it all up and get some clear coat on it. Once that's done, I'll get some seat brackets done. Right, that's as much as I care to grind today. That'll do. So I've wiped it all down with some thinner, just to try and get rid of some dust and any residual surface paint. And now I'm going to attack it with my trusty Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover 2 times coverage. This is really good paint. I know it's not ideal, but it'll do for now. So I suppose I better move my wife's car out of the way. I'm sure she doesn't want an extra coating of clear on it. Right, let's do this. When I finish shaking this can. So I'm painting clear coat over bare metal in direct sunlight on a windy day. I wonder how many dislikes I'm going to get on this one. Come on, I dare you. But leave a comment. One can, one coat. I have another can. I'll give that 10 minutes to dry and I'll throw that one on. There we go. As you can see, perfect colour match. No runs. Not that you can tell. That side was already done, I'm cheating. It's this side that you can't actually see because of the tree. I know there's still a bit of red up there. Don't care. Don't care. The overall picture is pretty good if you can see it past the tree. Spectacular. Right, let's have a look at these chairs. As you can see, I have put both chairs in to give us a better idea of space, which there is enough space. Plenty of space. Looks almost like a car with two chairs and a steering wheel, eh? Oh, right, the whole point of this exercise. Right, now normally seat runners have got a bolt at the back on either side and a bolt at the front on either side. However, this cunning devil has actually got hooks. So I either have to change that to just a flat bit of steel with a hole, or I need to create some fancy plate underneath that has a hole at one side and then goes along underneath the floor, and then it comes up a slot and has a sort of bar that hook goes into. That already sounds like too much work. I think it'd be better just cut these off, weld on a bit of plate with a hole and bolt it through. That makes sense, doesn't it? I give myself more work. It's not going to make any difference. It's not like I need a quick change seat in this car. Once it's in, it should be in for good. Like anything's in for good in my projects, eh? Oh, I don't know if I can do this today. It's too hot and it's Canada Day and I want to go and chillax. I think that's what I'll do. Yes, I'm gonna go in for the day and cool down. Might have given myself a wee bit of heat stroke actually. Not complaining. I'd still prefer the burning hot sun than the freezing cold ice any day. So I'll maybe do some drawings while I'm in my basement uploading this video for the plates that go at the bottom, and we'll get stuck into that tomorrow. So as always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I am 10 away from my magical 1,000 subscribers. And come on, you want to be part of the original 1K. I might even make t-shirts just for us guys. Okay, take care everyone. Have an awesome Canada Day, and you Americans have a nice 4th of July when it comes. Even if you are going to be stuck in your house with your family, but hey, that's the best place to be. See you then. Bye bye.